simple beat. This is my music production series, how to make quality beats. In this series, we try to find things that will help producers, beginning producers. One of my suggestions is Sunbaked samples. That's my dog in the background. Yeah. It's a kit by Grammy-nominated producer Tone Jonez, also a part of MPCX Audio. He has a lot of samples. He sings. You probably heard some of his samples inside of some of your favorite expansion kits. On your Maschine software and Maschine hardware. He has two folders to his kit. One is a composition folder and the other is extras. In the extra folder, you'll find one-shots, you'll find drum sounds, you'll find guitar sounds, a lot of Vox sounds. Some effects. So I'm not going to play all of them. I'm going to just... I know y'all going to like that one right there. So, you know, I'm going to talk over it so you won't get the opportunity to really sample it. Yeah. So it got a lot of... That's hot right there. Yeah. Y'all know that has that Griselda sound on it already. Drum loops. Kind of reminds me of like how Illmind sets up his kits. And remember, he's part of MPCX Audio that gives you some amazing kits. So like I said, one-shots. Got everything pretty much laid out a certain way. Alright, let me stop because I don't want y'all to take this whole kit. I'm going to play the beat that I made with it. I used a Dusty Crate. Yeah. Very simple beat, just showing you some things you can do. I haven't added the Day Sun Civil touch to it yet, you know, but I just added some bass to his bass, added an organ roll that he has in the kit, put some Scarby bass in there. I can tell he uses Trillion. You can hear the subtleness of his bass. That piano sound, I made that. So if I just strip it down to just his sample, all these are his samples. And you know, you can go back in and chop and cut it out however you want it. But yeah. Alright. If you're a sample-based producer, he got a lot of good stuff on here that you can sample and make some good hits out. So check Tone Jonez out. Check him out on his website. Everybody, y'all have a good one. This is Day Sun Civil. Peace.